kind of spread it so it
That's
goes
pretty.
all, so it goes all the way down. And
Yeah.
bonds.
You want to wipe it after you turn that? Because it tacks up really quick.
Okay.
It's very quick.
Stop right here somewhere.
So rag. Oh, it's almost, looks like you don't even want to touch it.
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
Yeah. I guess that looks pretty clean, huh?
Give it that rag.
I need to recaulk this one on this fireplace, man. You can see it's definitely moved.
Yeah, so it goes down in there. Straight.
Well, just finish this side, then. I can always come back and just do that side whenever. Couple spots.
There's what.
It looks pretty good. To refill, there's a couple of spots.
That's it.
Go, hold on, maybe just go over it one more time. Just real light. Yeah. I'll probably go over that again and bring it out maybe. Because it's kind of sunk in a little bit. But that's fine for a base. With our next, we'll let this, I'll let it dry overnight and then do it again.